Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Beripet Yakatnat Social Welfare Uba po Lyngdoh habakran berkilat patai kubor menta kasngi kar punyo terik ujeliu arajar apusan habayade berkajing pak penkenria yakinong shong di madan kibashong hakandai lat ulo ong bakajing penbana kaladep pak haswa kapor kabakentup ya baro kibashong hapo kataun vending committee badhadu saus pangut kinong shong di jingde hamadan kidei ki bala itu ulo ong ru bagitip syai habayade berkajing kabami na kabadi jingdi hasurok kabapelong ru yakipat ba kibayat lenti ban shem jing bat syak hang lat hakilenti singkin ulo ong kasurok haslong kamdei tang nakabenta kawai kakenhun jongki nong penon kam Henry kidon bun kinong penon kam yaka ula penrap da kabaong bakaan kanyat katkum kaan lakimi ne kimi kamdan jingmut bakin yakhi wat la kata ka sarkar kal ailat iki banshong haki jaka balabu khnang nak benta jongki omdan bala banong bakani kade ka hok jonga ula banrap ru da kabaong banalor kinong di ngidan ru yakipat ba ki bayat kejat bat ki penan kam ya kasurok Henry Kim Dan Singh bat kim led chaying bishar
latest.
I believe, notices have been sent. All under the town vending committee, about 400 vendors have been identified after going through a rigorous procedure of identification and selection. And we also are aware that the problem of street vending has led to several daily discomfort and inconvenience to people using the streets of Shillong. And the roads of Shillong are not for just one category of users.
So Bapol, before Cherry Blossom Festival, hawkers will be removed from there.
The deadline has already expired. So
when are you planning to actually?
The law will take its own course. Now, whether they move or not, it is immaterial. They have been given alternative spaces, whether they accept or not, because nobody can dictate that this is my right, because you also have, apart from motorists, apart from vendors, you also have pedestrians. They don't form associations, they don't go to court. Why should they be denied their right?